Hi everyone, today we are going to do the look using the 60th anniversary palette with Mary Kay. It has six items actually. It has the palette, it has two lip creams, and it has two nail colors. These nail colors are fabulous. I have them on my toes right now and I absolutely love them. And as always, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and always, always grab your makeup bag. So what I did today with my look is I have one eye with one color and one eye with the other. So I changed some of them. I also have different liners on both of them. And then my upper lip has the darker Visionary Rose lip color, and the lower color is the softer of the two, and it is the pink. So I did my swatches, and this color here is the Pink Diamonds. It's very it's light with the little pink, and then we have our iconic pink, our lilac, our Legacy Lilac, and then our burgundy crown. So those are the four colors that are in this palette, which is part of our 60th anniversary products. They came out about a week ago, and so they are going to go fast. DM me or go to my website down below and order yours now. So I'm using some of the all the new winter products. The first colors I put on, I actually must have still had some purple on my brush. So when I decided to use the Pink Diamonds, that's interesting. Pink Diamonds, it looks very white. Let me swatch these. Actually, now that I'm putting them on my hand, I can see that there is a pink tone in there. I have to move this down a little bit. So this is the Pink Diamonds. It has a pink in it. I thought it was just a white. So this is the Burgundy Crown. This is the Legacy Lilac. This is the iconic pink. And this is the diamonds. So this is what this Pink Diamonds looks like. I thought, I'm usually really good at it, but I didn't wash the brushes yesterday, but I thought I had used this brush with this lavender, this lilac. I thought, because I put that on yesterday. But now that I put this on, I realize, according to the swatches, that has a pink in it, which is what I have on right now. So I'm going to continue doing my other colors. I'm going to try two different looks and see which one I like the best. I'm not going to talk while I'm doing it. I'm just going to try it. So grab your makeup bag. Let's go back. I'm very partial to pinks and purples. This palette, this Mary Kay palette, this is a special edition for our 60th. Hold it. For 60 years. I just happened to put this shirt on. It was not done on purpose. I'm serious. It wasn't. And so this palette, it has the four colors, and it's going to be reversed, but they're really pretty. There's not a lot of, there's really only one sparkle in it, and that is this Pink Diamonds. Everything else is a matte. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, and this one on one eye. And then I think I'm going to add this to the next one. So we'll see. Either that, or I'm going to go with one of our new liquid colors. I will probably either go with these two right here. We're just going to see. We're going to see how they look. I do love this one, but I think it's going to make it too dark, and I want to keep my lid light. So we'll see. Let's see how it goes. Here's a little trivia. Has anyone read Mary Kay's autobiography? Because if you have, you will know the answer to this. So I want you to put down in the comments your answer to this. Who knows if Mary Kay Ash's favorite color was red, or was it pink? The reason I ask is because one of our, as we move ourselves up in the Mary Kay world, closer to, as you want to say, a CEO of your own company, one of our colors is a red jacket. You may or may not have heard of a red jacket. So when we become a consultant, we wear white, black, whatever our dress code would be. But then as you move yourself into a bigger, faster promotion, as you promote yourself, you earn your car, that sort of thing. We wear different jackets, different colored jackets. So as a red jacket, Mary Kay Ash designed that red jacket, and it's actually quite a big thing to get into a red jacket. See, I thought this color was our crystalline, but it is not. It is so pretty. I didn't notice it last time. I don't think I used it. If I did, I used it right in the corner of my eyes. So what if I go with the lighter of the two pinks? Let's see what that looks like. We'll see if my friend today notices I have two different colors on one eye. So these are our two nail colors. Two nail colors. Not our nails, our nail colors. And here's two lip colors. First color. Right or left? Upper, lower. So first, the pink diamonds, then the Legacy Lilac, and then the iconic pink. For underneath my lash, I did put the burgundy crown under both of them. On the left, I used the pink diamonds, the Legacy Lilac, and the burgundy crown. But I only put the burgundy crown right here and not much there. The lips, I might have to put my glasses on for this one. I didn't write it on here. The lighter one is Pink Rose, And the darker color is Visionary Rose. So the darker one is Visionary Rose. Let's see. There's a sharpener on the bottom of it. So the sharpener came out the bottom. So if I want to keep my point, and it just goes up. It's very creamy. I love it. It's a great pencil. And now it's sharp again. So that's the Visionary Rose. And the pink Rose, same thing, has the sharpener on the bottom. She does that with, they do that with everything, including the eye colors. Oh, and that's so, okay. So on my eyes, the difference, part of the difference is one has a, so I have blue on this, blue liner on the left, and I have black on the right. Our two new nail colors, Legacy Lilac and Visionary Pink. It's gorgeous colors. I have them on my toes. I have a picture of them, so I'll show them to, I'll put them on here. So there you go. This is part of our 60th anniversary set. The palette, the two lip colors, the two nail colors. They're not gonna last long. They're gonna go quick. So if you like this look, please send me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think, what other ways you could put these colors together. I'd have to practice a little more, like try them a little more, see how they go. You could just do one or two colors, actually. I like to use at least three, but yeah, see what your thoughts are on how these colors could go together, obviously. But this is a cute little compact. Has its own mirror. It's very thin, right? It fits right in your to-go container. And then the colors. So if you want to see more of my looks and my beauty and my lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and catch up with me again soon.